It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating when I.
Master English before 2026 with our channel.
Ben, are you awake? It is 9 o'clock. You usually wake up at 7. The alarm went off 2 hours ago.
Oh, I am awake, but I don't want to move. Anna, I feel terrible. My chest hurts.
Oh no, you sound awful. Your voice is very deep. You sound like a frog. And look at your nose. It is bright red.
I think I'm coming down with something. My throat feels like sandpaper. It is so scratchy when I swallow. Can you pass me the water?
Here, sit up slowly. Don't spill it. Gulp, gulp. Does that help?
A little bit. Ideally, I need a new throat. Can we buy one? My head feels heavy, too. It feels like there is a balloon inside my head, pushing against my eyes. That is a sinus headache, right?
Yes, it sounds like a bad cold, or maybe the flu. Let me touch your forehead. Pause. Wow, you are burning up, Ben. You feel very hot.
Really? I feel freezing. I'm shivering. Look at my hands. They are shaking a little bit. I am wearing 2 sweaters and I am under the duvet, but I still feel cold air.
That means you have a fever. Your body is hot, but you feel cold. Where's the thermometer?
It is in the drawer of the nightstand, next to the tissues.
I'm opening the drawer. Slide. Okay, I found it. The digital thermometer. I'm pressing the button. Beep. It's ready. Open your mouth. Under the tongue. Silence for a few seconds.
This takes forever. Why is the metal so cold?
Shh. Don't talk. Keep your mouth closed. Wait for the beep. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, let me see. Oh boy.
What does it say? Am I dying?
You are not dying, but it is high, 38.5 degrees Celsius, or 101 degrees Fahrenheit. You definitely have a fever. You are staying in bed today, mister. No work, no emails, just rest.
But I have to finish that report. Oh, excuse me.
Bless you. Here, take a fresh tissue, wipe your nose. See, you cannot work. You can barely keep your eyes open. I'm going to call your office and tell them you're sick.
Okay, you win. I'm calling in sick. Blows nose loudly. Sorry. That's a gross sound.
It's okay. The trash can is right here. Throw the tissue away immediately. We don't want to spread the germs. Germs are the little bacteria that make you sick.
My body aches, Anna. My back hurts. My legs hurt. It feels like I ran a marathon yesterday, but I just slept.
That is normal with the fever. Your body is fighting the virus. It's doing hard work inside. You need help. I'm going to become Nurse Anna today.
Thank you, Nurse Anna. What is the treatment plan?
First, medicine to bring the fever down. Second, hydration. Lots of tea and water. Third, sleep. I'm going to the bathroom cabinet to find the pills. Do you want aspirin or ibuprofen?
Ibuprofen, please. It helps with the headache better. Can you close the curtains a little bit? The light hurts my eyes.
I'm pulling the curtains. Swish. Is that better?
Much better. It's nice and dark now. I'm going to close my eyes until you come back. Don't be long.
I will be right back. Rest your head on the pillow. Soft landing. Okay, I am back from the bathroom. I found the medicine. It is a little orange plastic bottle. Listen to the sound. That is the sound of the pills hitting the plastic walls.
Good. Give me 2, please. My head is pounding. It feels like a drum. Boom, boom.
Wait, I have to open it first. This is a child-proof cap. It is designed so babies cannot open it, but sometimes it is too hard for adults too. I have to push down and turn at the same time. Click, turn. Okay, it is open.
Pour them into my hand.
I am shaking the bottle gently. 1 pill, 2 pills. They are small and white. Here is your water. Sit up a little higher so you don't choke.
I am swallowing them. Gulp. Okay. Down the hatch. Hopefully they start working in 20 minutes.
Now, step 2, hydration. I am going to the kitchen to make my special get well soon tea. Do you want to come with me or stay here?
I will stay here. The bed is warm, but leave the door open so I can hear you. It is lonely in here.
Okay, I am walking to the kitchen. Sound of footsteps fading. I am filling the electric kettle with fresh water. Splash. I am pressing the switch. Click. Now we wait for the boil.
What kind of tea is it?
It is not tea leaves, it is a natural remedy. Just hot water, lemon, honey, and fresh ginger. I am getting the cutting board, thump, and a sharp knife. I have a big yellow lemon. I am slicing it in half. Slice. The juice is running onto the board. I am squeezing the half lemon into your favorite mug. Squeeze, squeeze. It takes a lot of strength to get all the juice out.
Make it strong. Vitamin C is good for me.
I am adding a lot of lemon. Now, the ginger. I have a strange-looking ginger root. It looks like a little tree branch. I am peeling the skin off with a spoon. Scrape, scrape. Now I am slicing a thin coin of ginger. Into the mug it goes. Sound of rumble, hiss, click. Ah, the kettle is boiled. It is steaming hot. I am pouring the boiling water over the lemon and ginger. Whoosh! The steam is rising up. It smells spicy and sour.
Don't forget the honey.
I would never forget the honey. I have the glass jar. I am dipping a big metal spoon in. The honey is thick and golden. I am pulling the spoon out. Look at the string of honey. It stretches long and thin. Then, snap. I am stirring it in. Clink, clink, clink. The honey melts instantly in the hot water. It turns the water a beautiful cloudy yellow color.
It smells amazing. I can smell it from the bedroom.
I am putting the mug on a tray. I am adding a napkin and another spoon. I am walking carefully back to the bedroom. Don't spill, don't spill. Sound of footsteps returning. Here I am, service with a smile. Be careful, Ben. The mug is extremely hot. Hold the handle, not the ceramic part.
Thank you, Anna. I am blowing on it. I am taking a tiny sip. Sip. Oh, that is soothing. The heat feels good on my sore throat.
Is it sweet enough?
Yes. The honey coats my throat. It feels like a warm blanket for my voice. I can feel the ginger burning a little bit, but in a good way. It is clearing my nose.
Drink the whole thing. Then you can try to sleep.
I will. Thank you for taking care of me.
Ben, are you awake? It has been 3 hours. The medicine should be working now.
I am awake. I slept hard. I had strange fever dreams. But hey, my head hurts less. The drum has stopped beating.
That is the ibuprofen. Good. How is your stomach? Are you hungry? You haven't eaten anything all day.
I am a little hungry, but nothing heavy. No burgers, no pizza. Just thinking about grease makes me feel sick.
I made you something simple, the ultimate comfort food, chicken noodle soup.
Did you make it from scratch?
Well, half scratch. I used the leftover roast chicken from last night, but I chopped fresh carrots and celery, and I boiled the egg noodles until they are very soft. Sit up. I have the tray again.
I am sitting up. My body still feels stiff. My joints are clicking. Crack. Ouch. My neck is stiff.
Here is the bowl. Be careful. It is full to the brim. Look at the steam rising. It smells like savory herbs, thyme and parsley.
It smells delicious. My nose is a little clearer now, so I can actually smell it. I'm picking up the spoon. It feels heavy in my weak hand.
Take a small bite first. Don't burn your tongue. Blow on it.
Okay, here goes. Slurp. Pause. It is salty, but in a good way. When you're sick, salt tastes amazing.
The broth is warm. It will hydrate you. Try a piece of carrot. They are cut into little coins.
Crunch. Well, soft crunch. They are well cooked. It feels good to have warm food in my stomach. It's like a hug from the inside.
I also brought you some crackers, saltines. They are dry and crisp. Crumble them into the soup if you want.
Yes, I like the texture change. I'm crushing the cracker in my hand. Crinkle, crunch. The crumbs are falling into the broth. They're soaking up the liquid. They're turning into mush.
Mush is a funny word, but mush is good for sick people, easy to digest. Do you want some company while you eat? I can read to you.
Please, I don't have the energy to hold a book. My eyes are tired. Read me that book we found at the library, The Garden of Dreams.
Okay, I will pick up where we left off. Sound of pages turning. Flip, flip. Chapter 3. The old man sat on the bench watching the green vines climb up the wall.
Eating sounds continue softly in the background. Clink, slurp. Keep reading, Anna. Your voice is very relaxing. I think I might fall asleep again before I finish this bowl.
That's okay. Sleep is the best medicine. Just eat one more spoonful. Good boy. He is asleep. The soup bowl is empty. He didn't even make it to the end of the chapter. His breathing is heavy and deep. That is a good sign. I am taking the tray away. Clink, quietly, very quietly. I am tiptoeing across the carpet. I don't want the floorboards to squeak. Squeak. Oops. Sorry, Ben. He didn't move. He is out cold.
What time is it? The room is dark. Is it nighttime?
It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is getting dark outside because of the rain clouds. How are you feeling, Sleeping Beauty?
I feel different. I'm stretching my legs. My joints don't hurt as much. And I'm sweating. My t-shirt is damp.
That is excellent. The fever broke. When you sweat, it means your temperature is going down. Let me touch your forehead again.
Your hand feels cool. It feels nice.
Yes, You are much cooler. You are still warm, but not burning hot. The medicine worked, and the sleep worked.
I'm thirsty. My mouth feels dry, like cotton.
Here is a fresh glass of water. Drink it all. You need to replace the water you lost from sweating.
Gulp, gulp, gulp. Ah, that is the best water I have ever tasted. I feel a little weak, a little shaky, but the headache is gone. The balloon in my head popped.
Do you want to get up or stay in bed?
I think I'll stay in bed for 1 more hour, but can you open the curtains? I want to see the rain.
Okay, I'm pulling the fabric back. Swish! Look at the window pane. It is covered in droplets. The world outside is gray and wet.
It looks cozy. I'm glad I'm inside. I'm pulling the duvet up to my chin. It feels so soft. I feel safe here.
You are safe. I will go make some dinner. Maybe some toast or more soup.
Toast sounds good, with butter. Anna,
Yes?
thank you for being my nurse. I would be miserable without you.
That is what friends are for. But listen to me. When I get sick next week because I caught your germs, you have to be the nurse.
Deal. I'll make the honey tea next time.
Okay, go back to sleep. I will wake you up when the toast is ready. Sweet dreams.